Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. We are still in the topic of pivot tables, and what we already did is to check the data, create the first pivot tables, then try to respond for some of the questions, about the measures, and create those measures and pivot tables. Then we create the first visualization, the pie and the line chart, and how they are working. And then there is a lot of more things to check and to learn with pivot tables. There can even be a separate channel for pivot tables. You can change the layouts and everything, but I think that the last feature that we'd like to see is the slicers, because you can use it very often and it will be very powerful for your response to your questions. How to create the slicers? We need to go to pivot table, then mark those, then pivot table analyze and insert slicers. See, here you can see all of the columns that you have in the raw data. Let's, for example, choose the product. Then click the product and OK. You will see now the product as slicers, and to see value for the slicers is very simple. You can just need to click of which product category you would like to see on the as well pivot table and the visualization. So let's click gadgets, and here it's very simple. You can really have your base for the gadgets. Let's make it for the second pivot tables. Pivot table analyze, insert slicers, and for example let's make it for the warehouse. You will see now the warehouse information from pivot table, and let's now check the warehouse C. And you can see that pivot table as well and the pie chart was already updated just for the warehouse number C. Okay, that should be it for this video. Thank you for watching.